This is a short video on how to get started with your texture tiles project. After you've completed your drawings for your 2 idea sketches for your tiles, choose one to get started on this. So you'll complete these one at a time. I'm going to reuse clay from the clay boot camp. Notice that I wedged the clay, but I'm not quite sure if all of the air pockets are removed. So prior to rolling out my slab, again, I'm going to wedge the clay by using the heels of the palms of my hands, push the clay into my brown paper bag, turn to wedge and remove any air pockets. When my clay looks mixed and ready to roll out, pack it in your hand and encourage the shape of a pancake. That'll get you ready to roll out your clay. Now, in order to roll an even slab, you'll need 2 guidelines. I'm using 2 colored pencils, but you could use paint stir sticks, chopsticks, or anything else that can help you control the thickness of your slab. I know that my slab needs to be about 4 inches wide and tall. It's not quite a huge slab. Typically, when rolling out a slab, I recommend standing in order to get the leverage and a nice, smooth slab rolled out. And again, you can move your guidelines. Now, before I cut the shape of my clay slab out, I like to prepare and prep the surface just by smoothing it out. You can use a used gift card or old credit card. In my case, I'm using a piece of cardboard that is has a plastic layer to it. So you can see, just prepping the surface of my slab, smoothing out diagonals, and I'm ready to go, ready for the next step.